what are we learning today? Haha, the alphabet. Can I learn with you? Haha. Of course. You can learn with us too. Ooh. Arian, what's this? This is letter A. A has a sound. What sound? Ah.
A makes a sound like A or A. B makes a sound like ball. C makes a sound like call. D makes a sound like doll. What you wanna bet? You can learn the alphabet. E makes a sound like E or E. F makes a sound like fly. G makes a sound like guy. H makes a sound like hi. What you wanna bet? You can learn the alphabet. I makes a sound like I or I. J makes a sound like Jeep. K makes a sound like keep. L makes a sound like leap. 26 letters, even more sounds help us to make our world go around. 12 down and 14 left, and then we'll know the alphabet. Let's keep it going. M makes a sound like mine. N makes a sound like nine. O makes a sound like R or O. P makes a sound like pine. What you wanna bet? You can learn the alphabet. Q makes a sound like quack. R makes a sound like rack. S makes a sound like sack. T makes a sound like tack. What you wanna bet? You can learn the alphabet. What you wanna bet? You can learn the alphabet. We're almost there. U makes a sound like or U. V makes a sound like vet. W sounds like wet. X makes a sound like Y makes a sound like yap. Z makes a sound like zap. I always knew you could learn the alphabet. I always knew you could learn the alphabet. There's a million words that you haven't spelled just yet.